I would not hire an attorney to tie my shoelaces, to be quite honest with you.
I think that you need to hire an attorney if you want to proceed with this and try to invalidate the Board of Judicial Conduct.
During the last hearing, it was suggested that I hire an attorney if I want to invalidate the Board of Judicial Conduct. It is ridiculous to suggest that I petition the judiciary about restoring judicial oversight that they don't want. The facts show, and I have sworn this same uncontested statement in federal courts, including the Supreme Court of the United States, that the Board of Judicial Conduct aids and abets rights violations and federal crimes perpetrated under color of law, and they are guilty as principal. They're criminals protecting criminals. And the opinions from the Office of Attorney General should have no sway, because these are just attorneys that want to preserve oversight of attorneys in black robes. Well, I won't get into litigation on this, but the Office of Attorney General has behaved fraudulently. Well, we're creating a new judicial oversight agency, the Board of Professional Responsibility now. It has the same function as the Board of Judicial Conduct. And what I'm addressing with these facts is this agency is not doing its job. It's in violation of the separation of powers doctrine. They are exercising powers not granted to them, and they're holding a second office of trust that they shouldn't have. And I'm imploring this committee and the House and the Senate that we need to return this power back to the legislature. The next point I was going to make is the rules of professional conduct require a lawyer who knows that another lawyer has engaged in misconduct shall report them to the Board of Professional Responsibility. And the same is in Rule 10, Code of Judicial Conduct. A judge that knows of attorney misconduct shall report them to the appropriate authority. So here we have a complete breakdown. We've got an attorney filing a frivolous lawsuit. We've got opposing counsel who is failing to report them for ethical violations, as well as the judge. The whole thing has broken down. This is the fundamental breakdown of how we got to this mess that we're in right now. Yeah. Is that there is no oversight of the judiciary. Our government was founded on checks and balances and separation of powers. And there is no check of the judiciary, none whatsoever. Absolutely. What is a judge? A judge is an attorney in a black robe. And attorneys are one of the least trusted professions in this nation, just above car salesmen and members of General Assembly and members of the Congress. So we're going to slap a black robe on them and call them Your Honor, and we're going to trust these guys, right? How stupid are we?